From your Sakai course, click Site Info on the left. Click the Manage Tools tab at the top of the page. Scroll down to LTI Plugin Tools and click on it to open. Scroll down to Reading List and check the box. Scroll down to the bottom of the page and click Continue. Click Continue. Click Finish. The reading list link now appears on the left side of the page. Click on the link to launch the tool. The tool now opens and you are prompted to create your course. The course name is pre-filled with the same name as the Sakai course. Do not change the name. Enter the from and to dates. Enter the academic department by clicking on the down arrow and selecting the appropriate Rutgers University library. Then click Create. Now you are ready to create a reading list. Toward the bottom of the page, click Create it. The title of the new reading list is pre-filled with the Sakai course name. Do not change the name. Click Create. Select the custom template. To add an item to a section, click the ellipsis and select Add Items. Enter the search criteria and search. Select the item to add to your reading list. Specify the section and click Add. The item is added to the reading list. Repeat the process to add more items. When you are done, click Home in the Sakai course navigation. Students can now click on the reading list link to view the class reading.